Demystify Earth's old rocks with cold, trivial, and unknown chapter in our planet's story. A rocky outcrop in a remote corner of northern Quebec appears seen in its eerie isolation on the eastern shore of Canada's Dunn Bay. Outcrop what? Corner what? And motor is Avenue selain peringatan appears peringatan terdekat its for is research eerie isolation on the eastern shore of Canada's Dunn Bay. But over the past 2 decades, this exposed remnant of ocean floor known as the Newfoundland Greenstone Belt has been a huge scientific battleground in the quest on identifying Earth's oldest rock. New research suggests that the Geological site harbors the oldest known surviving fragments of Earth's crust dating back to 4,100 billion years ago. It's the only rock determined to the from the first of four geological eons in our planet's history, the Haden, which began in 4,6 billion years ago when the world was hot, turbulent, and hell-like. Rocks are books for geologists, and right now we are missing the book 100 million. The Newfoundland Greenstone that worth at least one page of book. So that's why it's so important, said geologist Jonathan Noel, author of the research published on Thursday in the journal Science. The Newfoundland Greenstone belt has been mapped several times by different research groups, with widely divergent results. Most agree the rock is at least 3,275 billion years old, but that would make it Earth's oldest. The Atlas Legend is complex, a group of rock exposed along a riverbank nearly 200 miles or 2 kilometers north of Yellowknife in northwestern Canada is more widely agreed to be the planet's oldest geological information. These rocks are unambiguously what date at 4,3 billion old. Mark the boundary between the hidden and and the next chapter in Earth history. Darchen. There are other rocks on the planet we know from the planet that are not part of this debate. Some meteorites are is 4,5 billion years old. A controversial in 2008 paper called by Neil Booth has been studying the site since he was doctoral studying. At June, the Greenstone belt was 4 billion years old. However, other geologists took issue with the limits of the dating techniques and how the data was interpreted. Read this latest paper on Neil Nolan, associate professor at the University of Ottawa in Department of Earth and Environmental Science, aims to prove his critics wrong. How to date rock? Dating rock is involved using radiometric techniques that harness the natural and spontaneous radioactive decay of different elements in the rock, and which Earth is type of rock and on use in whole-based analogy. Imagine counting grains of sand on the top, radioactive elements abandon its element produce and radioactive heat. Knowing the span of the flowing grains is which represented the decay rate, this allows science to date rock that some of these radiometric rocks are robust and can withstand a high temperature and pressure at crust and endured over eons, while others were marred and affected by this process. The gold standard and easy way to that very old rock formation is white ferrite mineral known as Sirion. These tiny crystals incorporate a bit of uranium into their structure. The researchers can pinpoint their age by measuring the radioactive decay of uranium atoms, which turn into lead and norate. However, the Novogratz crystal belt, which was made after a geological survey in 1960s, but first attracted scientific attention in the early 2000s, contained very few rocks during zircon as they rarely occur in specimens with lower levels of silicon, including ones that were once ancient crust. Try to find zircons and they are noticed that a form electric time during the metamorphosis of cooking of rocks on their side. Metamorphosis rock is that which has been transformed by heat, pressure or other natural force. Instead, for new study Noel chart to the rare earth element samarium, which decay into the element neodymium. Its technique has been used with dead meteorites because the elements were only active more than in 4 billion years ago. The controversy about the age is some people believe the rock was used or not good or was affected by other geological processes. He said it's debate about what exactly we are measuring in time because we can't use zircon and some people in my field would only be confused by zircons. The nurse said the technique was valuable in this case because it's possible to measure the decay of two variants or isotopes of samarium into two distinct isotopes of neodymium, essentially giving two rocks for the price of one. The last paper focused on scientific type of metamorphosis action rocks, metamorphosis sample from within the belt, and the two data points converged on same age in for 16 billion years old. This age, the study concluded means at least more than of hidden crust was preserved in the Novogratz greenstone belt, which helped to provide information to the Earth's origins and how life was formed. Nearby rocks from the same location at Midas preserve the signature of life from the Iron world, as microfossils and tiny filaments and tubes formed by bacteria and not docimate for any senior research scientist at the Institute of Deep Sea Science and Engineering, the Chinese Academy of Science. He was involved in the last research but has studied fossils from the city. The rocks that were newly dead come from the mantle, which is not thought to harbor life to be radical for life, said Dominic Powell, and who is also a honorary professor of Precambrian biochemistry and exobiology at the University College London. However, the ancient sedimentary rocks are now confirmed to be at least 4,160 million years old, which is only about 400 million years after the acceleration of our planet and of the solar system. He added evidence of very early life in the sedimentary rocks indicate that the origin of life can take place very quickly, relatively speaking. In ways increase the probability that life is commonly widespread in the universe. The bad put theories and it is not yet clear whether and Nuvvuaged outcrops will become widely accepted as not all rocks. According to other scientists who are not involved with the research. Bernard Gordon is a geomechanist and the Line Geology Laboratory in France who had previously taken issue with the earliest dates in Nuvvuaged greenstone that published by Enel, said he was in more convinced by the last word it was well improved on previous studies with what is better compared to 2008 paper is the fact that the two techniques they give the same age. That's good, and that's why we should reject the first result. Gordon, who is also research director in French scientific research body and RSA. In the end, I think there's more credibility to the age, said Ellie, who had some small doubts and would like to investigate the data more in depth. The age of the rocks and remains unsolved mystery, according to Hugo O'Rourke, a good scientist and senior research fellow at Curtin University in Australia. In the absence of easy minerals of depth, and there have solid rock, which is fraught with problems as wall samples have neglected by minerals. O'Rourke said via email. It only takes one of these minerals to have been attracted and their age reset to a younger age for the whole host of cards to fall over. He added, noting that very high and low temperatures can naturally alter the crystallization age of minerals in rock. Very little definite when dealing with rock and minerals that have complex geological studies spent more than 4 billion years, according to Jessere McGrady, a senior career professor of geoscience at Penn State University. Even if this rocks in only 3 billion years old, it is quite amazing that they are preserved. This kind of work presents more compelling data, supporting an age of 1,005 billion years ago that can reach was briefly produced, which was already compelling. Rimini said, the time scales are so long, and his story that these rocks and minerals is so thoughtful, declining and primary information from the is pretty amazing.